Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Melissa Samways, makeup artist, and today I'm gonna show you how to do this very glam and dramatic makeup look using the Blueprint Stake by Melt Cosmetics. I love Melt Cosmetics eyeshadow a lot. So to begin, I'm gonna apply a good eyeshadow base, and today I'm using Ignite by Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna spread it out using my clean fingers all over the lid, the duct area, and also in the brow bone, but you can use a brush in case you're interested. And now I'm gonna use the Blueprint Stake, the start of the show. I really love all the colors, and this is the best combination that I got to this moment because I could use all the colors at the same time. So I'm gonna apply first the darkest brown eyeshadow in my crease, and this will be my new cut crease line. I'm gonna be adding the product a little at a time and smoothing it out towards the brow bone. For this look, I don't have to use any transition shade because these shadows are so good to work with. So I can apply and make it very pigmented and blend the edges at the same time because it will look beautiful. As always, Melt Cosmetics has a very good quality eyeshadows. I know the price might be a little high, but the quality is very good, so I really recommend for you to try this out, especially if you are a professional. You're gonna love these eyeshadows. And the next step in the eyelid is to apply this light gold kind of champagne shade. This is very beautiful, and I really love the color. It's very pigmented, so I'm gonna apply from the tear duct area to half of my eyelid, as you can see here. I like it a lot, so I wanted to use a lot of space with this eyeshadow. And next, I'm gonna apply this beautiful gold shade by side. And for a little more contrast in this gradient, I'm gonna apply the shimmery brown in the other corner. And then this will be so easy. Before I apply the blue eyeshadows, I want to create even more contrast in the gradients. So I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer to create the shape of my eyeliner, just like it was a cat eyeliner. But of course, we're gonna apply the eyeshadows right on top, so it don't have to be so perfect. So don't worry, you just have to create a base to guide you when you're applying the darkest blue eyeshadows in the other corner, for example. So I'm gonna start off from the lightest blue and place it in the tear duct of my eyes, as you can see here. It will look so beautiful. I really like this kind of colors that is kinda aqua but so light. It's very beautiful. And next I'm gonna apply this medium blue, which is so cool. I really like the tone, and the shade is very shimmery, so to use it alone in the eyelid is very beautiful. And next I'm gonna apply the darkest brew And next I'm gonna apply the darkest blue eyeshadow in the other corner of my eyes to create this gradient of colors. As you can see, this is very beautiful and unique. I love this color so much. So I'm gonna just finish my cat eye effect, and for the lower lash line I'm gonna use this deep matte blue eyeshadow. Look this color, guys, this is very beautiful. To conclude the eyes, I'm gonna apply fake lashes and mascara. You can use your favorite fake lashes and mascara. And now that I've done it, I'm gonna do my foundation. So I'm gonna use the Infalible by L'Oreal. This is the matte foundation, and I'm gonna spread it out all over my face. Just a little bit of product because I don't like to apply a lot of foundation on my face. And to blend, I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender. This is very important to be damp for me because it will give more natural finish in the foundation. But if you want to create a full coverage or a more full coverage, is just to use your beauty blender dry. It will help in the effects. And next I'm going to contour and highlight my face using my favorite concealers. For contour my face, I'm using Studio Finish by MAC, and to highlight, I'm gonna use the Age Rewind by Maybelline in the shade Fair. And to blend, I'm gonna use the same blender as before. When I finish to blend, I'm gonna just set everything using a translucent powder. You can use any powder that you like. I really love to use Laura Mercier to set the whole face because it's a very thin powder and looks so beautiful in the end. And the next step is to apply blush. So today I'm gonna use California Dream by Benefit Cosmetics. I love this color so much, gives me a lot of life in my face, and this is one of my favorite blush. I really love the color and also the formula. And now I'm gonna apply highlighter, this Manizer by the Balm. And to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna apply liquid lipstick by Melt Cosmetics and lip gloss as well. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit in my lips and remove the excess using the tip of my fingers. I really love this effect. And right on top, I'm gonna apply this peachy lip gloss and also remove the excess because I don't want to have a lot of product in my lips. And this is the final result. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you did, and hit the notification bell. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah!